Hello everyone, Silverconundrum here, and I come to you today with another unboxing. But before we get started, I would like to say I apologize. I have not been buying any base silver lately, like no generics, no eagles, no nothing. I've actually been in a stacking of precious metals on a collector's level lately. And with that being said, this is no different. I have been waiting for this box to come in for a little while, and what I'm doing is mostly I'm waiting for everybody to, well, let's just say, sell off their silver. I want to watch the silver prices drop a little bit before I go in investing into generic silvers again and, well, getting those things that I like right now while they're available. Now, what you will find in this box will be a mystery to you as well as to me. Reason being is, well, let's just say I ordered a few little things and I ordered them at different times. I just don't know when they're going to be here and what's going on. So with that being said, let's get on with this box. So the box is in decent shape. A little bit of tape there. Pretty good. They didn't beat it up too daggone much. As you can see, it's got a lot of stuff all over it. But other than that, the box overall is pretty good. So now I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and what we're going to do is come right back after I get this thing opened up, and I'm going to show you guys what we are dealing with. Okay, so now we got the box opened up and we got things out of the way. I want to show you guys what the inside of this thing looks like. So there is all kinds of packaging. I mean, it is all of this stuff, and it's wrapped up in some more packaging. That's pretty cool. And that's the inside of the box. We're gonna get all this out of the way. Now, let's see what we got here. So, as you guys can tell, this is probably from the exact same seller I have been buying directly from lately. And I have been buying from a seller by the name of tradezone 212. Well, guess what? This man has just finally officially become a incorporation, and he is going now by the name of tradezone Incorporated or tradezone International Incorporated. One of those two. But either way, I got my stuff in the mail, and here we go. I just want to show you guys what I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video again, and we will be right back with our next portion of what we have going on here, okay? So give me 1 second. Okay, so it took me a few minutes to get inside of this thing, and I want to tell you guys, Sherry Ward, I don't know if this man is a lost long cousin of yours, but he used a half a roll of tape on this damn thing. And it is hard as heck to get into without a daggone pair of scissors or a knife. I'm beginning to think there's a lot of people out there like you that are just as evil as they can be. Because if you wrap stuff with tape, I tell you what, it is funny to watch them open it. But the poor guy who's having to open it, he's sweating the entire time. The packaging is still pretty awesome. As you guys can see, there is still more packaging to go. So this right here box has been pretty well protected. So I just want to show you guys what's going on with this thing. So give me 1 second. Alrighty. So now we're down to the last piece of packaging, everybody. This is the coup de grace. This is it. So let's go ahead and open this piece up together, and let's see what we actually have in here. I'm not going to use no scissors or knife on this. I'd be darned if I cut this thing and tear it up. Because, well, let's just say I would be very disappointed. Let's see what we have. There we go. Let's get this out of the way. So, as you guys can see, this is a Mandela coin. And can you guess which Mandela this will be, guys? It's not the owl. It's not the wolf. Nope. That's right. If you guess the elephant mandala, then you would be absolutely correct. So that was the box. Let's go ahead and pull this thing out very carefully, not to damage anything. This is it, guys. This is the Elephant Mandela. If you are familiar with the Mandela collection, you have the Mandela Elephant, the owl, and I think this year they're doing the Mandela wolf. So just a little heads up on those things, guys, if you're out there. So the front of this thing right here, as you can tell, is real shiny. So this is like a real slightly raised finish. The words are really nicely engraved into the I would say into the cover itself. The outside looks really good. As you can see, it is awfully shiny. Very, very reflective. Let's get inside of this thing, guys. I don't know about you, but I'm itching to see what this thing looks like. Okay, so this right here, material is a suede, like a leathery suede. So it feels really good on the hands. Really nice. Very nicely done on the bottom. Yep, all nice leathery feeling. And let's see what we got here, guys, shall we? So, the inside is just your basic inside of a coin. Let's look at our certificate here. Certificate of Authenticity 2019, Mint 21, guys. If you have not noticed, I have been buying a lot of products from these guys. Mint 21 is a relatively new mint, and if you haven't seen what they have to offer, you're missing out. Mint 21 has some of the best, in my opinion, some of the best high-end collector's pieces on the market. They are, I would say, not the platinum standard, but they're definitely the gold standard, so to speak. So, 2019, Niue, $5, 3 nines fine silver, 2 ounces, 55 millimeters, antique finished, digital print, Swarovski crystal insert, and if I mispronounce that, don't sue me. Up to 500 pieces minted. So we'll just stick that right here, just like that. And we are going to pull out the little Mandela coin. Guys, if you know my hand and some of my other coins, look how big that thing is, 2 ounces. That right there is monstrous for a 2 ounce coin. So let's look at the back of this real quick. Let's get some of my, there we go. Now, this is a very intricate design on the back. We have Elizabeth II, Niue, $5, 2019, 2 ounces, 395 silver. Now guys, that is a very beautiful back. I love the art of the back piece. And they honestly did a pretty decent job on the queen, and especially her crown this go around. But here, this right here is where it's at. Now, look at the designs on this thing. I mean, just look at the intricacies here. In fact, I just want to zoom in just a little bit. I want you guys to see that. And if you're wondering what the elephant is made out of, it's more along the lines, if I had to guess, like an enamel paint with a real gemstone in the middle. So that right there, guys, is just absolutely beautiful. And I'm actually going to take this out of the plastic, out of the thing for you guys, the holder. So this way you guys can actually get a real feel of what this thing actually looks like. So again, just like I do with every coin, give me 1 second and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So remember how I told you it'd take me a minute to be back? No, try about 10. I about ripped my fingernails off trying to get this thing off. These guys have a capsule that is so tight to fit that it's unreal. So let's get a close look at this thing. So there we go. I'm gonna go real slow for everybody. I just want you guys to look at and take into all of the detail. Just take all that in. The elephant itself is just beautiful. The gemstone is beautiful. Look at that, guys. So, like I said, I have been slacking off on my game plan. Mike Tyson said it best. Everybody has a game plan till you get punched in the mouth. Well, my game plan this year was 500 ounces of silver. But, I've let my curiosity and my interest in collector's pieces this year get the better of me. But what I'm doing is setting everything aside for the right moment. I have a feeling we're going to have another dip. And when we do, that's when I'm going to make my big purchases. But until then, I'm going to keep collecting what I like. So like I've always told you guys before, never ever stop collecting what you like. If you like it, get it. You're not wrong. And these kind of coins actually come with a premium. and they sell for a premium. So let that be something that you think about. So when you buy these kind of coins, guys, you got to realize, one, there is a market. It's not a very vast market, but there is a market. And that market, when these coins run out, they demand premiums on top of what you paid. So just for example, if I paid $250 for this coin, when it runs out, it's going to go for about $350, $400 easily. That's just the way it goes, if it's not already. I can't remember what they're going for, and I don't remember what I paid for this. I have to go back and look at my account. But premium coins are a way to go if you want to get that intrinsic value, or that numismatic value, so to speak. A little bit of all the above, really, just because it's silver and it's a type of collection. So, like I said, everyone, I just hope you guys like this right here piece. And I have one more coming in the mail soon. And after that one, I'll probably have about 15 different coins coming here and there. And the wife has put in an order for some things that she likes. And guess what? You know what they say, if mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy. So everybody, I hope you have a good day. I hope you enjoyed this right here. Please like, share, and subscribe. Remember the giveaway that we're doing. If you don't leave a comment and you don't have your account set to public where I can verify it, well, you may just miss out. Later, everyone.